Manipur police arrested 6 cadres and associates of proscribed outfit Kanglikpa Communist Party People's War Group from Porompat yesterday. According to police, they were involved in illegal arms transactions, extorting from general public, private firms and government offices. Upon receiving reliable input about extortion activities in and around Jennings Hospital, a joint team consisting of Imphal East District Police and Manipur Police Anti-Extortion Squad carried out search operation in which Oinam Abung Meitei, aged 31 years, Laimabokpam Hadi Meitei, aged 53 years, Yaikom Lukoi, aged 32 years, Oinam Vijan Meitei, aged 25 years, Irengba Mongbi Inaubi Debi, aged 38 years, and Moirangtem Ichan, aged 20 years, were arrested. Along with arresting the militants, the security forces also recovered a 4-wheeler, 2 two-wheelers, 6 mobile phones and a total of rupees 3,88,950 from their possession. The arrested persons along with the seized items have been handed over to relevant police stations. In another operation, illegal arms were seized from different locations in Churachandpur district yesterday. Security forces discovered 2 local-made pumpy, 2 electric detonators, 1 local-made 9mm pistol along with magazine, 3 local-made improvised hand grenades, 2 local-made pumpy ammunitions from Thoiroilok and its adjoining area in Churachandpur. In another search operation that was conducted at Lamjang Forest Hill Range adjoining Bongbal village in Churachandpur, security forces recovered 1 3.3 rifle, 2 3.303 live rounds along with magazine, 1 pumpy, 1 single barrel gun.